In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain name on Spaceship. So Spaceship is a domain registration company. It allows you to buy domains. So if you head over to spaceship.com, it will take you to this window. Now I'm going to buy a domain with you now live on video, show you the exact process so you don't have any surprises when you decide to buy your domain. So go to their homepage on spaceship.com and type in a domain name. I'm going to look for one related to the channel. So type in a domain that you want, then go ahead and click on search. Now, just some tips with choosing a domain. I would go for the .com domain if it is available. Maybe you're set on a brand name, but the .com isn't available, then I would possibly rethink it because the .com is very important in 2025. So I would consider changing the name if you can't get the .com. The next best one though is going to be .net. So I'm going to go with knowledgebase.com for $8.88. So we're going to go ahead and add that to cart, and we should see that in the top right. There we go. So we can go ahead and click the cart, or we can click on view cart. We can add any hosting or any upsells that we may require here. I'm going to go ahead and just continue. And you can see here the price is going to be $8.88 for a year. And it's going to renew at $9.98 in 1 year. So you can see 1 year registration. Auto renew is turned off by default. We can go ahead and turn that on or off later. Go ahead and click on checkout. So here you need to create or log into your Spaceship account. I don't have one. I'm going to sign up. I'll enter these details and we'll go to the next step. Once we've created our account, what we can do is we can go ahead and verify this. So you need to go ahead and check this item just to confirm that everything is correct. Make sure the spelling is correct. You then need to go ahead and enter in your domain contacts. So click edit. It's going to ask you to add an address here. You do need to add this on all domain registration companies, but you can hide this with Whois. As you can see, that is included for free right here. Whois protection. So go ahead and enter in your registration and billing details, and then we can go ahead and add our payment method and pay. For payment methods, you can just use the standard credit card, PayPal, Alipay, and you can also go ahead and add account funds using cryptocurrency. So we're going to click add credit card, and I'm going to fill this out and then I'll pay. Okay, so once you've paid, it will take you to this window where we can now go to all products. And then if you go to domains, domain manager, from here we can manage our domains. We can add redirects, we can connect it to hosting, and we can also turn on or off auto renewal. You've got the countdown here, you've got the auto renewal button here, and that is how you do it. So I hope that quick video did help you out.